Duke and Duchess of Boxford came to visit their new summer house. They came on their own private engine called Spencer. Spencer is big and silver and very fast. When Spencer pulled into Knapford, his driver had exciting news for him. "You have beaten Gordon's record," he said. "Of course," boasted Spencer. "I'm faster and finer than all the engines on Sodor put together." The Fat Controller's engines were very cross. "Spencer's just a big silver show-off," sniffed Gordon. And everyone agreed. The Fat Controller spoke to the engines. "Spencer will take the Duke and Duchess to their summer house. Another engine will take their furniture." The Fat Controller's engines saw their chance for a race. "Please, sir," said Thomas, Percy, Gordon and James, all together. "May I go?" "You all have other work to do," boomed the Fat Controller. "Edward will take the furniture." James and Gordon groaned. "Fancy sending a back engine to do an express engine's job," sniffed Gordon. "He'll lose the race and let the old railway down," said James. Thomas and Percy were cross. Edward was their friend. "Spencer has a bigger boiler," said Thomas, "but that just means more hot air." "And on his steam he can beat a pouty puffer any day," added Percy. Edward set off. Slow and steady. Do my best.
This is brilliant. I love the noises and the smell. Look, Rupert's here. Rupert! Rupert the bear. Everyone knows his name. Rupert the bear.
the most important train of all. It's the kid train. Let's make it train.
Duke and Duchess finished their tea, and Spencer was off in a flash.
Together as one. Let's make our kid train fun. Come on.
Kids in the front go woo woo woo. Kids in the middle go choo
He
choo.
roared past him.
Kids in the back go
Faster, Sylvester, he chirped.
Our train's going to be the locomotive. Johnny, will you do it?
But how? I don't know how.
Furniture felt heavier than ever.
All you have to do is
But then Spencer had to stop. The Duke wanted to take some photographs of the countryside. The Duke set up his camera. Spencer closed his eyes.
let's ride the kids train around the world.
But Spencer was in the middle of a race.
It's so fun.
Waste of steam.
Kids train go.
Come on.
Kids in the front go woo woo woo. Kids in the middle go choo choo choo. Kids in the back go bumpity bump.
And when Gordon passed Edward and saw how hard he was trying, he felt bad about it. Well done, Edward. You are a credit to the railway. Edward was so happy his boiler tingled. He found Puffy and never knew he had it. The Duke and Duchess had finished taking photographs and were back on board. Spencer was dreaming of victory. When Spencer finally opened his eyes, he could see Edward heading towards the summer house. As he reached the siding, his driver ordered him to slow down. These are old tracks and you are a very heavy engine, he said. You must go slowly. Spencer had no choice. He had to slow down. And he trundled slowly down the siding. With every click and every clack, he knew that he had lost the race.
Celebration time.
The summer house.
Make it fun.
Because I did it!
Move the joystick. Press the buttons. Have fun.
Edward felt like a real Hooray! I've won! He cheered loud. Edward felt like the pride of the Sodor Railway.